So hello, oh my gosh, hello, good morning everyone. I just want to share to you what is my dream, but it's kind of quick. So I saw in my dream, I just wake up right now, and I saw in my dream, it's just a picture, but it goes like exactly like this. The Virgin Mary is on the right, and Jesus pic is on the left, and it's just like this. This is how I saw. But when I see Virgin Mary in my dream, it's like something is gonna happen maybe tomorrow. I just don't know why I saw this one in my dream. But I just hope nothing will gonna happen by tomorrow. But when I saw Virgin Mary before, just alone. But right now it's how I saw in a dream, like with Jesus and the love. So I don't know how to interpret that. I just hope nothing will gonna happen. I usually saw Virgin Mary before alone, but she's kind of huge in the image in my dream, and she's always wearing white. And I just do not know why I see this picture of them in my dream today, and I just wake up. I just wanted to share that, you know, Jesus is on my dream is also in the left, and Virgin is on the right. And maybe it says that don't be scared because I am here.